May profits be upon you. Welcome to another weekly market forecast. We're looking at the S&P 500. We're looking at the S&P. All right, now we're looking at the S&P futures, just like I just finished that video for the Nasdaq futures. All right, if you look at the actually, I don't have it here. Okay, don't worry. Don't. I was going to show you the CFD version, but it doesn't look very dissimilar from this. But these are standardized prices, and everybody gets the same price. Unlike with CFDs, where you get slippage and spreads, and CFD, uh, forex broker shenanigans. Okay. Anyway, we're looking at the uh, weekly time frame. This is how the candle ended Friday. It was a bullish candle. Yes. See how this is the open. This is the open of this candle here. All right. That means there was a big gap up. A big gap up. What happened the week before? During that week before, on that Friday, there was announcements of tariffs in China and between the U.S. and China and all, and it was terrible, terrible. But like I called last week, I believe this was an emotional move and not one that would just turn the market. All right, yeah, temporarily, of course, it had a pretty nasty impact, but I didn't think it would be the kind that would turn the market around and keep sending the prices down. I said that we should see a rebound, and we hit this level here. All right. Why am I pointing out that particular level? Well, because this is the odd colored candle. This is the opposing candle. And I like to see when markets find that opposing candle, it finds support. And it stopped on a dime there, didn't it? And then we gapped up the next week, that Sunday, and we continued higher from there. Am I looking for higher prices? I am. I suggest that I suspect that we will. Yes, there is a danger of going into some consolidation before the next move, and that next move may be down before up. But I don't think we'll have a very pronounced move. I do not think we're getting past this opposing candle at 6,500. I do not believe that. I don't think we're going to trade past that. Do I think that there's a chance that we may revisit it, retest it? Yeah, but I don't think we're going to. I think this will be an excellent place to take high probability trades to the upside. I do, but we'll see if it even comes down to that. This was an order. This is an order block, folks. That sell before the stronger buy. That close above right here, that's where you can draw your line and you wait for price to come back to it. If it does come back to it, and we can use it as an area where we would find support. Now, if we go to the daily, come on, this is taking too long. What is really going on? Why are we stuck? Okay, we go to the daily. Does yours do that with trading viewers? Am I the only one? So this was the Friday, 2 Fridays ago. All right. This was that Sunday open. And you see it's kind of sideways. It's kind of like bullish neutral. But look what it did on Friday. It swang and closed. I mean, swang and swept the sell side liquidity here. Thank you. All right. The sell side liquidity for the low, creating a new low for the week. And then we had this bullish rally and a strong close within the range of the Thursday candle, right? So this would indicate some bullishness in this market, some bullish order flow. I don't know what just happened there. All right. And I'm looking for that to continue. This is the new weekly, this is the new weekly open candle here. You know what this line is here? Let me put it a different color. Do you know what this line is? Let's put it as green and make it a little thicker so you can see it. All right. This is the monthly open. And with the opens, you'll find they offer a lot of, or most of the time, resistance and support areas. I want you to see. Come on, man. Why is it doing that? I want you to see that that zone, that open, that price line, that price level is 6,725. Price pushed up into it. We haven't gotten a close above it yet. But this candle with the strong close going in this direction, I'm looking for price to take out these highs and possibly and make a new all-time high. I am bullish this week in this market. I'm looking for buys. All right. And I think these are going to be the targets. Right. These are my targets for the week. Now, I say that because we came down and swept sell side liquidity first. All right. Before pushing up into this strong area of resistance. If we break the resistance, that's very bullish. And I'm looking for prices to climb. You understand? I don't see a good reason to take shorts. Yes, this move was corrected by this move up, and we could see a new bearish leg form to come back down and test 6,500. All right. If price does give a close below this low, then I would start to think I would lay off of my buys until we see another break of structure to the upside. All right. But right now, I am bullish. We are here in the middle. I'd wait until price pushes and closes and starts to trade above 6,725. Is it? Yes. Above the monthly open. That would trigger me to look for my buy setups. I hope you enjoyed this. I do hope you enjoyed this. Do make sure you go and check the movies, the videos that I put out already. The NASDAQ, the pound USD, and Euro USD, as well as the US dollar index. Just make sure you go check those videos out. Make sure you leave a like, a boost, an encouragement, and make sure you subscribe to the channel. Leave a comment, man. Let me hear from you so I can. You see, I answer every comment that comes in the comment section. I'll see you in the next video. Careful trading next week. May profits be upon you.